Hey guys, what's up? Learn Python with Smile on. In last video, we saw the history of Python. Now we can see the versions of Python and the procedure for installing the Python. Python programming language was implemented in December 1989 and the first release of Python's version 0.9.0 was on February 20th. Now currently, the latest version of Python is Python 3.8.2 which was released recently on 24th February 2020. There are two major versions of Python, namely Python 2 and Python 3. We cannot execute Python 2 in Python 3 as there are more differences between them. Such as in Python 2, we will not put parentheses in print statement. But in Python 3, if we put parentheses in print statement only, it will get executed. Same way, in Python 2, if we kept decimal points in operands only, we will get answers also in decimal point. Otherwise, the answers will be an integer value. But in Python 3, even if we didn't keep the decimal point in the operands, we will get the exact value as the answer. We can execute Python in two different ways. First way is to use Notepad, text editor, etc. for writing the code and then executing in command prompt. And the second way is to execute Python in an IDE, integrated development environment, such as PyCharm, Spider, Jupyter Notebook, etc. IDE is nothing but an software application or a platform where we can execute the code with all sorts of tools and facilities like compiling, debugging, etc. Now we can see how to install Python. I have given a link in the description www.python.org where it leads to installing Python. You can also get the link by just googling Python and the very first link you will get head towards the website. Now if you click this link, you will get the Python website. If you have Windows 32-bit, then download the installer that is assigned for 32-bit Windows. Or else, if you have Windows 64-bit, then scroll down the list and download the installer that is assigned for 64-bit Windows. If you don't know the number of bits your Windows has, then go to System Properties and Settings and check the number of bits your Windows has. Now go to File section and click Windows Executable Installer. After downloading it, go to Downloads folder and run the file. Now Python installer will run. After that, a window appears. In that, check the checkbox for adding Python 3.8 to the path and select Install Now. Once the installation is over, you will get the message as setup was successful. You will get some time for installing it. Now, to check whether Python is installed or not, go to command prompt and type Python space ---- version. You will get the type of version that you are using. If it shows the version you are using, then it means Python is installed in your system. Till now, what I said was the general procedure for installing the Python. But if we use IDLE, Integrated Development Learning Environment only, it will be very easier to learn Python for beginners. So hereafter, we will use IDLE only. In next video, surely I will show how to install the IDE. Thank you. Wait. Out of the box. Did you know that we can watch the star movies in command prompt? Are you eager for watching the star movies in command prompt? Then follow the steps in the website that have been given in description. Aren't you bored by seeing the command prompt always in black and white? Let's make it colorful. By typing the desired color and its attribute in command prompt, such as typing color space 04, will make the text in command prompt to red color. For more colors, follow the website that have been given in the description. Thank you.